Good morning. Thanks for tuning in to Wicked Wise. So today I just want to go briefly over your rights. And people have been asking me about their rights and why the courts don't tell them what their rights are. Well, the reason the courts don't tell you what your rights are is because you have to do your own due diligence and learn what your rights are. You have to insert your rights, right? And that means you need to learn what your rights are. Your constitutional rights, your civil rights, your human rights, and your inalienable rights. Those are your rights by God. So, when the police arrest you, they read you your Miranda rights. And that is part of the Constitution. I'm trying to get in Virginia a parental rights bill, right? Sort of like the Miranda rights. So I'm working on that. Long story short, when you go to court, it is your job to know what your rights are as a parent and what your children's rights are, because you hold the key to your children's rights, right? Because they can't consent. Therefore, they can't sign anything, and whatever they say with dealing with CPS will be turned around, and if you don't know what was said, you're in trouble. So it is your job to know your rights and your child's rights, but it is the court's job to protect your rights. So if you go in there and the judge is telling you to shut up and sit down, you need to insert your 14th Amendment right, which is due process. Okay? Don't be afraid. I don't care if they're wearing a black robe. I don't care how many deputies are in the courtroom. It is your job. And if your lawyer's not going to do it, you got to do it. There's no better advocate than yourself, right? You can say, oh, that little blonde chick, Wicked Wise said, it doesn't matter what I say. I can't go in the courtroom and insert your rights. You have to do it. And once they understand that you know your rights, they tend to back off a little bit because now they know they can't get over on you. CPS will tell you that you have no rights as a parent. That's bullshit. Don't listen to that. It is about the parent, right? It really is. Or an adult. And you have every right to insert your rights as the parent and to insert your children's rights as the parent. So don't listen to CPS. Don't do it. They lie. They will turn everything that you say against you. They'll turn it around and say stuff that you never said, or flip it around, right? If your baby's got a shitty diaper, that it was full of shit and it's been on for hours, or if you got dirty dishes, oh my God, the whole world's gonna crumble. The house is dirty. How is that fair, right? It's not. So just remember, the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, your inalienable rights, your civil rights, your human rights, and especially the Constitution, was written to protect the people from the government, not to protect the government from the people. Remember, the government has no rights. It has no rights. We, the people, hold the rights. You know how to contact me. If you don't, I'm sorry, I'm still a little sick. 24 Tiffany, TIFFINI @gmail.com. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend and have a great day.